Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I'm reaching out to you guys today because I noticed that you have an active Facebook ad going on, which is great. But I thought maybe you guys could use a few tips for free that would actually help you get more leads in Florida and Louisiana without having to rely on ads. So, going to your website here. Your website should be like your virtual cash machine. Um, 70% of your leads come from your website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can actually capture that traffic. Looking at your website, you do have a nice design. Looks like you have a separate page for each service, which is perfect. Hopefully, each of these pages have their own original content and are focused on their own keywords. You also are servicing 2 entire states, so that's a massive area that you're servicing. So you actually need a boatload of service area pages so that you can actually be found organically in these states and the cities that you're going to service. I would break it out probably by state and have a service areas, Florida, and then the counties, and then the cities under that. Everyone that has any good search volume, I would have its own page. So that's going to be a lot of pages, but it is going to be necessary if you actually want to be found for your services online. Service area pages should be like mini home pages, but with their own original content and their own keywords specific to that location. Yeah, I noticed that you guys are going after these type of keywords. These are national keywords. Even though you have a large service area, you're only servicing 2 states, not the entire United States. So all of your keywords need to be location specific. When you go after these national keywords, you're going to get false metrics because you can't help people in other states. And so only a small percentage is actually going to land on your website from your location. Everybody else is going to be around the country and they're going to leave your website. So you only want people going to your website, the people that are going to that could possibly convert and be customers. So you really want to focus on your local keywords. Whether you want to focus your homepage and service areas on Florida or Louisiana, or a specific city in that area, and then have service area pages. But your content needs to be built around some type of location. And your homepage should be the strongest page of your entire website. So you need the one that has the best volume, that makes the most sense for your location. And I'm just kind of scrolling here as I'm talking. I'm not really seeing much for content. So your homepage needs 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. If your competitors have more content, you need more content. So your images are not optimized either. Those need to be optimized so that they can help you. Blogs are good if they're done correctly. It's a little bit of good information here, but it's not doing anything to actually help you get found. You need the local buyer intent keywords, the keywords people are actively searching for your business right now. And those are the keywords you need to be focusing on. And you need 250 words for every keyword you're going to target. Google has little robots that index every one of your pages, looking for your original content and keywords so they can rank you and put you in front of your customers. Now, your top competitor for water damage organically is ServPro in Miami. Yes, they are a franchise, but no, you are not competing against the entire franchise. You're only competing against this one location. And you're actually at a huge advantage because franchisees cannot optimize their pages, they cannot edit them, they cannot focus on their own keywords. You can. You can optimize your pages, work on your content and keywords. So you are at a huge advantage. These guys are super easy to beat. You just have to work on these tips. They have a lot of content, so you're going to need more content than they have. And then on top of that, you're going to have to support your website with SEO, because without search engine optimization, your website will not be found. And if we look here, does not look like you have any SEO going on. You only have an 8 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which is very low. Means Google doesn't trust your website, and that's because your backlinks and referring domains, you just don't have very many. You need a lot of these, but not all are created equal. You only want the ones that are relevant and related to your business, and they need to be do follows so that they share the power of the high ranking sites and help you to rank. And you only get credit for one backlink per referring domain, so anything else is spam. If we look, only 5 of your referring domains are do follows, so only 5 of those backlinks are actually helping your website. You've only been indexed for 10 keywords because you don't have much content, and you only get one person to your website per month. So you got a lot of optimizing to do because you're missing out on a ton of traffic. Between those two states, you should have thousands of traffic there. And it looks like, looking at your keywords, you have one on the first page of Google, and it's your brand in Utah. So that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Let's see. Swift response. Nope. These are national keywords. You don't want to rank for those. Even though it has good volume, because 99.9% of the traffic you do get, if you rank this, is going to be national, and it's not going to convert. So you only have 2 keywords out of the 10 that are local. So you need to go after those local buyer intent keywords, and you need your backlinks to attach to those keywords so you can actually get to the first page of Google. Otherwise, you're never going to be found. If we look at your competitor, this doesn't matter here because we're not going after the entire franchise. We only care about this location, and they have a pretty strong website. So they don't actually have any backlinks for this location. Their website is supporting it, but they do have 26 keywords that are ranking higher than you, and they're getting 184 people. So optimizing your website, you'll be able to capture more traffic and be able to outrank these guys in no time. And the last piece is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people search only here. And if you're not here, you send those leads to your competitors. In order to get to the top 3, you need citations, and that's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local keywords supported by SEO. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and would really love your feedback on it. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.